answer some questions, shall we? So I get asked if we add weight to the sled to practice pushing it and making it harder. And my answer to that question is kinda sorta. In order to break it down for you, we have many different training exercises that we do in order to practice pushing the sled. The setup that you see here is the sled on the metal track, which inherently already gives us way more resistance than on ice. And here at the push track, we focus more on technique. Now, our sliding season sleds are heavy. My sled that I use for the sliding season is 65 pounds right now, and I have more room to add more weight. When we are pushing on the ice, it feels different due to the glide. There's not as much resistance as the dry land setup. Our sleds have two metal runners that run vertically along the bottom of the sled, and it doesn't feel like we're pushing that much weight on the ice, but for training purposes, it can be helpful to add weight. Last year, we experimented a little bit and had one person lie down on the push sled and the other person push them, and with that much weight and that much momentum, sprinting down the crest did not give great results. Let's just say I ate it hard on the track and will not be doing that exercise again. But we also do weighted sled pulls and pushes using a different machine that might look a little more familiar to you right here. Since we're working hard out there doing these exercises, it's always nice to balance that out with a little fun afterwards, like enjoying garden concerts. I love the atmosphere and dancing it out after a long training day.
Dated nearly 14 billion years ago, expansion started. Wait. The earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, they built a wall.